So I recently made a video on how to build credit covering a credit builder product. Get ready to lift off. Customers that make on-time payments can see an average credit score bump of 47 points. And that product had subscription fees, it had interest using your own money, application fees, it was crazy. So in that video, I also had a part where I show you how to build credit for free so that you don't have to pay interest on your own money, so that you don't have to pay subscription fees, because you should never have to pay to build credit. And this is that part of the video. I'm going to tell you how you can build your credit for free. First, apply for a Capital One MasterCard. When you apply using the link in my description, you can see if you're pre-approved without a hard impact to your credit score. And the reason we want to apply for Capital One is because they're a great starter card and they approve people with no credit and in most cases, even bad credit. And they also report to all 3 major credit bureaus. Next, apply for a 1FB USA Visa card. So only do this if you have no credit, not bad credit. If you have bad credit, they're not going to approve you. But if you do have bad credit, just hang on. The reason this is a great card to apply for if you have no credit is because it's a student card and do approve people with little to no credit. So when you apply, make sure you're a student. And this is non-verifiable and you're learning right now, right? So you're a student. Another plus of this card is you have the opportunity for huge credit limit increases as you grow with the card. For example, when you apply for a random bad credit card, you'll usually hit a ceiling with your credit limit around $750 to $1,000. With First Financial, I can't say the exact max credit limit because they don't publish that info. But I had my son apply for this card when he was 18 years old with no credit. We're not a 580, not a 520, not a 620, no credit score. He applied for this card, $500 credit limit, and every year they would raise his limit automatically. And right now that credit limit that started out at $500 is $10K. And the same thing with my daughter, started out with a $350 credit limit. Right now she's at a $4,500 credit limit with this card. So for the people that have bad credit that can't apply for the 1FB USA card, even if you did apply for that 1FB USA card, the next one you're gonna apply for is Chime. So once you have your Chime account, what you're gonna do is apply for the Credit Builder Visa card. So the way this works is you deposit whatever. It doesn't even have to be $100. It can be $5, it can be $1. You use that card, it's gonna be reported as on-time payments. Doesn't matter the amount of payment. People think that, well, if I have a higher amount of payment, well, that's gonna look better on my credit report, but it doesn't. All that matters is that payment's on time. So a plus with Chime is that when you sign up using the link in my description, you can receive $100 when you set up direct deposit into your Chime checking account. So Chime has a lot of different products, right? They have the Chime checking account, the Chime Credit Builder Visa, Spot Me Balance, which is up to $200 in no NSF fees. They have up to a $500 loan with no interest. And the last one, and this is optional because this one's not free, but it will look good on your credit report because it's gonna show a good credit mix. All these other ones are gonna be reported as credit cards. This next one is going to be reported as a personal loan. It's going to potentially raise your credit score even faster. Kickoff. Kickoff offers a minimum trade line of $750, which you can't necessarily use. I say that because although they do offer that $750 trade line, you can only use it on their online store. But what's great about this product is that when you apply, they don't run a credit pool. They approve everybody. And what we're trying to do here is build our credit, and they report to all 3 major credit bureaus. And as I mentioned, it gives your credit profile a good credit mix. So they do have different tiers starting off at $5 a month. So this product is similar to Self because both of them report as a personal loan, not a credit card. Both of them report to all 3 major credit bureaus. Both of them don't require a hard credit pull. The only difference here, Kickoff starts off at $5 a month and you can cancel at any time. With Self, you can cancel at any time, but you have to pay the full amount of your loan. So now that you have your accounts open, you're gonna sit on them. Don't use them. You're only gonna use these cards one time a month because what we need to do is have something to pay every month so it shows on-time payments. So if you don't use a card at all, it's gonna kind of defeat the purpose and it's not gonna help you build credit. At the same time, if you use a card too much and max it out or only pay the minimum balance and don't pay the whole thing off, it's not gonna give you the potential for a higher credit limit and it not moving from 500 to 1,000 to 2,000 to 4,000 to 10,000. So only use it once a month, pay the balance off every month and don't apply for anything else for a whole year. Yes, a whole year. So I will make another video on what to do and what to apply for once that year rolls around. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Links in the description. See you next time.